So it's 4 o'clock and good evening, my dear little ones.
Good evening, ma'am.
You are fine at home?
Good evening, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also doing well. Thank you. So shall we start the new chapter? Three
Yes,
questions.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What did we discuss in the last class? Do you remember?
So, yes, ma'am.
No.
Funny.
We discussed
Sisters.
the difference between
God blast.
cocktail and you remember the jokes that I showed you, right? Had a very good time last class. Okay.
Ma'am, the difference between tails.
Yes, we discussed the difference between folktale and the fairy tale.
Fairy
We
tale.
practiced a lot of tongue twisters, and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
we read a lot of jokes, and we laughed so much. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let's move into the
Cocktail is a
story.
story with a nod.
Pardon?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I wrote it in the rough book.
What?
Oh, everything which you showed us at last.
Oh my goodness. Very good, very good. Everything I showed you on the screen, you wrote it in the rough book. Well done.
Yes,
Well done.
ma'am.
All right. So let's move into the story. 3 questions. Okay. 3 questions is a folk tale. It's a Japanese folk tale. And in the story, we find the main character, Akio. Okay. So shall we move to it?
Yes, ma'am.
We can read the story.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Manu,
ma'am.
start reading. Let us read a story about a clever court jester who helped the king. The 3
Mummy?
questions. Yes. Read.
Clowns and court jesters appear funny. Nevertheless, they can convey serious messages that can make us think.
Mm.
Akio was such witty court jester.
One such witty court jester.
He was considerate,
Mm.
self-confident, and one of the king's favorite member of the court.
Favorite members of the court. One of the favorite members of the court. Mm.
Everyone loved and respected him.
All right. It's not loved, just loved. Okay.
Loved.
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 Everyone loved and respected him. All right. Next paragraph. Adil. Adil, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
One day, a man decided to test Akio. He said, Akio, I was sleeping with my mouth open last night. A rat entered and disappeared into my stomach. What should I do now? Akio replied
Promptly.
promptly.
Mm. My dear friend.
Dear friend, you can only do one thing.
Mm.
Bring a cat and swallow it alive. Everyone laughed. The man felt silent.
All right. Okay. For the time being, we'll stop there. So, clowns and court jesters. Can you tell me what is the difference between clowns and court jester? Who is a clown? Have you seen clowns?
Clowns are very funny.
I mean, tell me who is a clown? Everyone mute, okay? Everyone mute. I'll come to you one by one. I mean, who is a clown?
Man, clown is a funny person and sometimes it is dangerous.
A clown is a funny person. Sometimes?
It is dangerous.
Sometimes he is dangerous. Have you all been to circus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Circus shows?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
At least
ma'am.
movies?
Yes, ma'am.
So clown is an entertainer, especially one in circus, wearing a traditional dress, a traditional costume and an exaggerated makeup. So I will show you the picture of a clown. Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Just wait. I will load the picture very soon for you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Isaac has removed PPT.
Yes.
3 questions. Japan folktale.
So clown is a comic entertainer, especially one in a circus, wearing a traditional costume and an exaggerated makeup. Okay, so much of makeup
Yeah.
will be put on his face and he looks
Yes,
so
ma'am.
funny.
Ma'am, when I
So
went to Abu Dhabi, I went to a circus and I saw him.
Yes, very good.
With ma'am, I took a photo also.
You took a photo also?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
this is folk tale.
Yes, yes, I know. Let
He
me
will
change
be
the
more
pages.
funny to
Let me change
children.
it.
Ma'am,
Please wait.
Can
Let me
we
change.
read
Please
it
wait. Let me change. Yes.
can you tell?
So you have the clown.
Now we saw the
You
clown.
see?
Yes,
This is what you call as a clown. Okay.
clown.
A comic entertainer in a circus who wears a traditional costume and an exaggerated makeup. See how his nose is colored? His nose is red in color. He has got a
In
red
color.
hair.
His hair also
Yes,
full
yes.
of like
Another picture.
I like his hair.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
This
Pictures are
is
not
what you
very
call as
clear.
court jester.
Ma'am's hair is so funny.
Yes, yes.
yes,
Okay, these are the images of clown.
ma'am, they know stuff like a ball.
Okay, so there is a difference between clown and court jester.
Code.
I'll show you the picture of court jester. Okay, court jester is a person who entertains in the king's palace. He has a typical kind of costume. Okay, so court jester is a bit different from what you call as clown. Here we have another picture, another image of court jester. All right.
Ma'am, his nose is not like a ball.
Ma'am, we have this picture in our textbook.
Yes.
He
we have
had a
the picture.
different
Yes, we have
hat.
the picture in the textbook. So clowns and court jesters appear funny. Both these people, clown and court jester, they look so funny and they speak so humorously. Nevertheless, they can convey serious messages that can make us think. Even though they look so funny, in spite of their funny appearance, they can make us think. Acue was one such witty court jester. He was considerate, self-confident, and one of the king's favorite members of the court. So, who is the main character in our story?
Ma'am, Akio.
Akio. A Japanese name. A Japanese name, yes. Akio. He was a witty court jester. What do you mean by wit?
With
Wisdom.
Wit
Having
means?
wisdom. Having
Ma'am,
wisdom.
funny.
In the olden times, during Shakespeare's time, the word wit means clever, brilliant.
clever and funny.
But in today's context, wit means just humor, comedy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes you may watch some comedy in the TV, in the television,
Yes,
or some,
ma'am.
you go for a funny movie and you say that, oh, it was filled with a lot of wit, oh, witty movie. Huh? Sometimes you might say that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Daniel.
Ma'am, sometimes jokers and court jesters appear as danger because in some movies it's showing.
Yes.
Example,
It's
All right.
chapter 2.
Sometimes they
So,
appear.
Ma'am, sometimes we will say joker.
Yes.
Joker
Joker
movie.
also the same. Clown
Yeah.
and Joker. It's almost the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Joker
So,
movie,
Ma'am, it's
that clown is becoming the world's bad guy.
all right. So you know you have enough knowledge about
yes,
the
ma'am,
clowns
we are
and
cinema
Jokers.
addicts.
All right. Akio is the main character in our story, and he was a witty court jester. He was clever at the same time. He conveyed things in a funny manner.
Funny.
Yes, ma'am.
He was considerate. What do you mean by considerate?
consider.
He was
Considerate.
like that. He was like that.
Considerate means thoughtful about other people. Considerate.
Okay.
My friend
Yes,
is
ma'am.
very much considerate about me, which means Your friend cares for you. Your friend helps you. Every now and then he or she is there when you are needed. Okay, so thoughtful. Considerate means thoughtful. He was considerate, self-confident, confident of oneself, and one of the king's favorite members of the court. The king liked him very much, and that is why he was considered as favorite. Everyone loved and respected him a lot. So if a question is asked, who is Accio? Madhav, how will you answer? Who is Accio?
Ma'am,
Who is Accio?
Accio is a joker.
Okay.
Ma'am,
But rather than using the term joker, you can use the term court jester. Joker means
court jester.
both are same.
Ma'am, can I tell?
He's not a joker, he's a
Accio
court
was
jester.
Accio was one such witty court jester. He considered self-confident and one of the king's favorite members of the court.
All right.
Everyone loved and respected him.
I told you it's not loud. Loved.
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 Loved. Okay, we'll do the pronunciation at the end. Okay, so Accio was a witty court jester who was considerate, self-confident, and one of the king's favorite members of the court. Everyone loved and respected him.
Ma'am, he was funny that
One day, yes, Gautam?
Ma'am, he was funny. That's why he also like him.
Pardon?
Ma'am, he says,
I'm
Ma'am,
listening.
the court jester was he was so funny. That's why king liked him.
Yeah, yes. Court jester. Accio was so funny so that everyone liked him and respected him. One day, a man decided to test Accio. He said, Accio, I was sleeping with my mouth open last night. A rat entered and disappeared into my stomach. What should I do now? Okay, let me ask you children, when you are sleeping, if something happens to you, will you come to know or you just blindly sleep
No,
on bed?
no, blindly sleep.
Blindly sleep. Imagine that you are in your deep sleep, okay? Imagine that you are sleeping deeply at night and if a small mosquito comes and bites you, what happens? Will you awake or not?
There will be no phone. When I wake up in the morning, there is so much of small mosquito bites.
Feed the mosquito and sleep again.
You will kill the mosquito and sleep again. My question is,
I will
whether
not
you
kill.
will come to know it or not.
No, ma'am.
You
No,
will be
ma'am.
disturbed, right?
No, I will sleep blindly.
Oh.
I sleep blindly.
Some of you sleep so well
Sometimes
so
I will
that
know,
you may not.
sometimes I sleep. Blindly sleep.
Ma'am, when we wake up on morning, we can see some mosquito bites that we can see in the morning. When we wake up.
There is no
I know.
kids, sometimes you may not know. Okay, sometimes you may not know if the mosquito has bitten you or not.
Ma'am,
But
if
what
there,
about the adults, elder ones? Definitely they will know. Okay.
ma'am, if there was no sometimes there will be no current, so the fan will be off, and the mosquito will bite me. And in the morning, my mother will ask, "What is in your hand?" Full of mosquito bites.
All right. So my question is, the man wanted to test Accio, and he says, I was sleeping with my mouth open, and a rat entered and disappeared into the stomach. Will that happen?
No.
Any
No,
possibility?
ma'am.
Rat is much big.
No, ma'am.
And is there any possibility for the rat to go inside the man's mouth?
No, ma'am.
Never. That,
Who is this saying?
that is impossible. An absurd statement. He says that a rat entered and disappeared into his stomach. What should he do now? So look at the response given by Accio. Accio replied promptly. Promptly means quickly, suddenly. My dear friend, you can do only one thing. Bring a cat and swallow it alive. What a fantastic reply. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
You know that rats and cats, they are enemies. Remember Tom and Jerry?
Yes, ma'am.
Tom and Jerry, very interesting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Funny, very funny.
Rats and cats, they are enemies. So if by mistake
Yes,
a rat
ma'am.
has gone into your mouth and disappeared into the stomach, you have to bring a
And the
cat
cat will
swallow
kill
it.
the rat.
My kids are chatterboxes. Huh? Some of you are speaking from here and there. Just raise your hand. I'll come to you. Yes, what do you want to say? Catherine?
Ma'am, it was at the time so funny and clever when he
Yes.
said that you can have a cat.
Yes, exactly. Akio is funny. At the same time, he is giving a clever response. So from the response made by Akio, the man understood that he shouldn't have asked such a question. The man was embarrassed. Akio replied promptly, my dear friend, you can do only one thing, bring a cat and swallow it alive. So the question is an absurd question and the answer given to him is also
What is the
somewhat.
meaning of impressed?
Embarrassed means feeling so shy, ashamed.
Okay, ma'am.
The man was ashamed because he asked such a stupid question to Akio just to test him. But Akio gave a apt answer to
Clever.
the question. Yes, the answer
Yes,
was very clever. At the same
Akio
time,
gives
it
a
made the
clever
man
answer.
think a lot.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am.
Akio give a clever answer.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone laughed and the
Yes,
man
ma'am.
fell silent. So all the people who listened to Akio's response, they laughed, but the man became quiet. He could not test Akio anymore. He could not ask Akio any more questions. Okay, so let's move into another incident. Anthony, read.
Ma'am. Another day, Akio was enjoying a feast with his friend.
Hmm.
He spotted a fat man eating sweets and putting some away in his pocket.
Hmm.
Akio got up and poured a jug of coffee in the man's pocket. How dare you pour in my pocket? Yelled the man angrily.
Yelled the man angrily.
Yelled man angrily.
Hmm.
Akio calmly replied, since your pocket has eaten so many sweets, I thought it might be thirsty, so I gave it some coffee.
Ah,
Once
yes. Thank you, Anthony. So look at another incident. Another day, Akio was enjoying a feast with his friend. What do you mean by feast?
Ma'am, dinner.
Yes, a grand dinner. A grand
Grand dinner.
So you have been invited for a birthday party or a marriage party. Wow, a buffet will be
Excuse me,
arranged
ma'am.
there. Huh?
Ma'am,
Different kinds of delicious
A
dishes.
grand meal.
Some hotels. Ma'am, in the story, Akio said could gesture, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I was in doubt. I have a doubt that who is the Akio.
Akio is a cold gesture. I mentioned that already in the beginning of the story.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so imagine yourself that right now you're all at home. I know that you're all stuck at home, no freedom to go outside. But just imagine that you have been invited for a birthday party of your friend or for a marriage function of your cousin. Yeah, a wonderful meal will be arranged there, buffet with lots of delicious dishes. will
Ma'am,
be
some
served and kept.
like that. Ma'am, in some hotels there will be
Ah,
buffet.
yes, buffet. In
Excuse me,
hotels
ma'am.
also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Five-star
Yeah, in
hotels,
restaurant.
Excuse
yeah, in
me.
the restaurants. Yes.
Ma'am, buffet and feast is same.
Pardon?
Ma'am, buffet and feast is same.
No, ma'am. Buffet is
No,
No, ma'am.
no. A feast means a grand meal.
Then dinner.
You should take
A grand meal, a grand dinner. Okay, that is what you mean by feast. Buffet means lot of food items will be, lot of food items will be
We can take
prepared
whatever we want.
and you will be able to choose as you wish.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
the charge will be, charge for one plate will be like permanent. For
Yes,
example, for
Ma'am, we
one
can take how much we need.
you will be able to enjoy as much as dishes as you like. That is
Yes,
what we
ma'am.
call as
Ma'am, we can take how much we want.
the quantity also. You can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can eat as much as quantity that you can, and you can choose as many as dishes as you like. Okay, that is what you mean by buffet. 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 So
Buffet
another
or
day,
buffet?
Akio was enjoying a feast with his friend. He spotted a fat man eating sweets and putting some away in his pocket. So what I wanted to ask you is that if you have been invited for a party, you are free to eat as much as you can, but is it right to take away something without the permission?
No, ma'am.
No, not at all.
No, ma'am.
That's a bad kind of
ma'am.
habit.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
you're not
No,
supposed to
ma'am.
take away anything with you
ma'am.
without getting the permission of the person concerned. So that's a bad habit. So Akio, when he was enjoying the feast with his friend, he noticed that a fat man eating a lot of sweets and taking some in his pocket.
Ma'am,
Akio got up and poured a jug of coffee in the man's pocket. So look at the action that he did. He got up soon and he poured a jug of coffee into the pocket of the man. How dare you pour coffee in my pocket? Yelled the man angrily. What do you mean by yell? Yelled.
Ma'am
Yelling.
shouted.
Very angry. Shouted
Down
and very
in an
angry.
angry way. Yes.
He was shouting.
Very
Shout.
angry.
To shout at the top of your voice. Yell. So how dare you pour coffee in my pocket? Imagine if the coffee is too hot, what happens? Ah.
Oh my God.
yes.
If the coffee is hot, it will be
Cannot
wonderful.
Batman will melt into
Ah,
things.
yes. Very soon the sweets will
will be
melt
very,
and the man's legs will be burned.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, when it is hot, it will, before becoming hot, it will be big as a chicken. After burning it, it will become as a wooden stick.
All right. Okay. So Akio got up and poured a jug of coffee in the man's pocket. How dare you pour coffee in my pocket? The man became so angry and he yelled at Akio. Akio calmly replied, since your pocket has eaten so many sweets, I thought it might be thirsty. So I gave it some coffee. So look at the funny response given by Akio. Okay, Akio is very clever. He wanted to show that what man has done is not a right thing. Okay, so he did something comical. He spoke very calmly.
Ma'am, there is a
quietly.
good thing, right?
Yes, a
Ma'am.
good message. A good message is conveyed through Akio by his
Ma'am,
action.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Normally, wait, let me finish. Who wants to speak now?
Ma'am, Fia.
Okay, Fia.
Ma'am, there is a good thing that Akio done. Akio, that man has talked very shoutly, but Akio gave the reply very calmly.
Oh, yes, very good observation. Wonderful, Fia.
Thank you, ma'am.
That also we can take into consideration. Okay, man was so angry with Akio, but Akio responded calmly. Okay, so that is a good quality of Akio, calm response. And that too was done in a clever manner. So normally if you eat lot of sweets, you become thirsty. So you would go for a glass of water or a glass of tea or coffee. So Akio replied calmly, since your pocket has eaten so many sweets, I thought it might be thirsty. And that is why I pour a jug of coffee into it. That makes sense, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Clever enough to
Yes,
make the
ma'am.
man realize that what he has done is not correct. Are these two incidents clear for you children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So let's practice the pronunciation of some words. Mark it in your textbook. First one.
Okay, ma'am.
Clown.
Clown.
Repeat after me.
Clown.
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 Yes. Second word. Court jester.
Jester. Court jester.
Court jester.
Jester.
Third word. Witty.
Witty.
Witty. Yes. Next word. Considerate.
Considerate. Considerate.
Considerate.
Considerate. We should mark it. Considerate. We should mark it.
Yes, mark it in your textbook. Mark these words in your textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
The word promptly.
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 Okay. Sixth word, feast.
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 Okay. Last
Feast.
word, calmly.
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 Okay. Once again from the beginning, clown.
Clown.
Jester.
Gestures.
Witty.
Witty.
Considerate.
Concentrate.
Considerate.
Considerate.
Promptly.
Promptly. Feast.
Calmly.
Feast. Calmly.
That most of you are repeating after me, but some of you are keeping quiet. I do not know why it is. Okay, you have to repeat the word after me, only then you will get the pronunciation. Okay, all right, so mark those words in your textbook, learn the spellings, write and study the spellings 10 times. Okay, and
Okay, ma'am.
if you get time, I'll take a dictation for you in the next class. All right.
Can you tell the words once more? Ma'am, can you tell the
Okay,
words once more?
once again, I'll repeat. Clown, court jester, witty, considerate, promptly, feast, calmly. All right?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, is the session clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.